Hey guys, good morning. What? Yeah, in there. Happy Independence Day. If there's anything to be happy about this independence, it's actually 1st of October 2021. As usual, it's a morning here and I'm about to run some errands. I want to go get some bread for breakfast. My grandma is here, so I need to get her some bread so she can have breakfast this morning. I need to zip this stuff.
Lately I've been thinking about the choices I have made and doubt the life I've chosen for myself. I wonder how it would pan out if I stuck to the status quo and stayed in England. Never know, but when I see my friends, I see them with this golden glow. It seems they can touch the rainbow. I guess I'll never know, never know, never know. Would that be me if I'd stayed in my city? Red, blue and green. Is that how my life would be? Is that how my life would be? And often we're reminded to enjoy each day and find it in ourselves to show some gratitude for every moment through and through. I try so. Lately I've been thinking about the choices I have made and doubt the life I've chosen for myself. I wonder how it would pan out if I stuck to the status quo and stayed in England. Never know, but when I see my friends, I see them with this golden glow. It seems they can touch the rainbow. I guess I'll never know, never know, never know. Would that be me if I'd stayed in my city?
Hey guys, good morning. Guys, today is Saturday and I'm about to go do as usual Saturday walk. It's a day after the Independence Day. I couldn't make it to go anywhere yesterday. I didn't even take the kids anywhere. So you guys already know that on this channel, I don't like to go out on that day of the occasion. Rather, I prefer to go out a day before, a day after because the stress, is going to be really crowded in Port Harcourt and everything. I wasn't out for that. So I want to show you guys in my other vlog. I'm very sure for this vlog, I showed you guys where I went to get stuff for my kids. I went to show you guys the reading table and everything. I finally bought them. I think we bought one for I think 20,000 each, but usually the guy said he sells it for 30,000. I don't know if it's true because I later checked on online and I saw it on Konga for 25k. So probably he sells it for. Please, I'm on call. I'm making a video. These kids are okay. If come again, probably he sells it for 25 and he's telling me 30, whatever. But I was able to buy the reading table. It's more like a reading table and also like just a relaxing chair for my kids. So if kids they want to relax, they want to read or they want to do the assignment or anything, they will not use that. The other rubber one, I don't like it. It's not strong at all. So this one is way better and it looks even more fancy. So let me show you guys what it is.
Would that be me if I'd stayed in my city? Red, blue and green. Is that how my life would be? Is that how my life would be? And often we're reminded to enjoy each day and find it in ourselves to show some gratitude for every moment through and through. I try so hard to just be present. Mom will slip the adolescence. I can't help but wonder, but I guess I'll never know it. What the other book looks like. Oh, wouldn't that be nice if that was me? If I'd stayed in my city. Red, blue and green. Is that how my life would be? Is that how my
Who? He's what? Whoa, whoa. Sissy. Emma. When you turn that
To write specially transmitted to you. I say, Royal Strike has on this floor. Strike.
Lately I've been thinking about the choices I have made, about the life I've chosen for myself. I wonder how it would pan out if I stuck to the status quo and stayed in England. Never know, but when I see my friends, I see them with this golden glow. It seems they can touch the rainbow. I guess I'll never know, never know, never know. Would that be me if I'd stayed in my city?